Hello remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we have no experience remote job worldwide. Yes, we have a job with no experience. We have this one, Pet Cancer Foundation. Canadian Pet Cancer Foundation is hiring and it is worldwide. If you go to their page, search volunteers. Of course, you have to go. If you write on your Google browse Pet Cancer Foundation, this is how you can write, and then click here. Yes, you will see this is it, Pet Cancer Foundation, and then click on volunteer. Yes, it is volunteer, but they will pay you. Okay, so they will pay you. If you see, click here, volunteer opportunity. There are many ways to utilize your strength and passion while connecting with like-minded people of important cause affecting dogs and cats. Apply today to help pets with cancer and their families. So click here, volunteer. Yes, you can click here on available opportunity. But before doing that, let me pass through this frequent asked question. There is like, why should I volunteer? What is time commitment to volunteer? Do I have to make a long-term commitment? You can do 6 months or 3 months or 6 to 12 months. That is a period to volunteer. I am granted a volunteer position. Do I volunteer work in person or remote? You can do remote. Do you provide the training and equipment? So because of, they said you will have your own computer, your own equipment, laptop and desktop will be necessary. So, and here they say, I live in Philippines, can I volunteer? They say you can volunteer. They accept people worldwide. They say through though the vast majority of their team completed their work in Canada and United States, they also have volunteers in another half dozen countries worldwide, which means this is a worldwide opportunity. Okay, so with no experience, okay, what kind of work do I do as a volunteer? Yes, they say volunteer opportunity are diverse and can include all work type, from content writer for your online committed to business analytics. So there is so many opportunity. That's why you can click here, available opportunity, and see if you see available opportunities for volunteering. So there is this veterinary review editor. You can do editor. You can click here and read through about that position. You will see they say this low time commitment through 30 to 45 minutes per day, and you can do 4 to 6 hours weekly. So you can see this position virtually from anywhere in Canada and United States. Go to their website again, go back to their website, find the all opportunities available, and if you don't find any opportunity, they say available opportunity page. We are searching for volunteers with varying skills and strength. Please review your current position on available opportunity, or you can go to general application page. If you don't see any role that suits you today, send your resume on general application form. So you click here, general application form, then you will send your resume. Tell them your interest to apply to these opportunities. Okay, so that is one position we have today. Going on to the second, we have this company A&M. This is the company Arrivre and Mass. They have different offices in different location, but you can see there is a global location. They have office in Europe and Mid East. They have office in India. They have an office in Latin America, North America, also North Asia, and Australia and Southeast Asia as well. If you go to careers, so click here on job and also click on search job. Okay, So you can see they have so many opportunities around the globe. If you click here to this one, analyst trainee, yes, click here to analyst trainee, and this job was posted January 11, just today as I make this video. And this is the company, Avre and Masla, okay, performance improvement. This is analyst trainee for this company A&M, performance improvement, veteran, who they are. You can read through who they are. This company was founded in 1983. They have been there to the industry. They vary this integrity, quality, objectivity, and so many other things. The key responsibility to this position: work with team member to conduct research in all form of information gathering and ensure all relevant source of information are pursued, participate in client review, inquiries, questions, cooperate with team leaders, work with read, and so many other work that you can do with this company. So they are seeking a bachelor or master's degree in business, accounting, finance, engineering, or any major with quantitative focus with proven record of academic excellence. So you have to prove that you can do research. Actually, the previous internship experience, this job is no experience, but if you have experience, yes, it is preferred. Excellent analytical skills, useful information from large set. It's like a data entry jobs. You can do, as long as you know how to deal with data, like data entry jobs. Yes, you can put your experience with data entry jobs, fluent in writing or spoken English. So go to all these companies. You can see there is so many positions. They have up to 74 pages of jobs. So you can see they have so many jobs. If you live in Florida, if you live in there is this one, media entertainment manager, associate HR business partner. They have so many jobs. The company is A&M. This is the company, and visit their company and know if you can do the work for them. Let's move on to the next. We have this Pan-Atlantic Foundation. Yes, this is a job. They have jobs. If you go to their careers, you can go back to find careers. If you go to their website, Pan-Atlantic Foundation, go to their careers. They have remote jobs that you can work as well from anywhere in the world. Experience required: ability to work and support team members, excellent administrative and organization skills, computer skills including Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and so many other like CRM management. A bachelor degree from 4 years college of university is required. International work or study abroad experience is a plus. So again, the company is Pan-Atlantic Foundation. Let's move on to this other job, Honor-Built. They have this job. If you can see, they have this job, remote support technician in the United States. Let's go to the requirements. So there is no experience required because they say a proven customer service background or technical support role in call or contact center. For this job, they don't specify how many years of experience necessary for this job, which means with no experience, you can apply to this job, okay? Exponential ability to search and troubleshooting, excellent writing and verbal skills will require interview for this job. So please do not call in regard your application status. Alright, this is the company. Honor-Built is hiring. So if you go, they have so many other jobs actually. Not only that, I just like technical support. There is also this warehouse logistic. Okay, so warehouse logistic. For this remote support technician. You can work in remote. This is a remote job. Honor and build. Yes, this is what you can write on your Google browse. Honor and build / careers. So we go on with other jobs. We have this job. Treatment consultant remote. Yes, this is it, and the requirement here. The requirement: relevant experience required in business development and mission role where targets have been consistently met or exceeded. There is no years of experience here. As long as you believe in yourself, you can do the work. I believe you can apply to this job, okay? High school diploma is preferred, but it's not a must. Ability to maintain a calm and professional demeanor during all member interaction. So, high comfort level with technology, including EMR software, email, Slacks, mobile apps, and so many other more. So you must be able to work remotely, must have a quiet and private dedicated home office with a door with reliable internet connection. This is a full-time role. You must have ability to work full-time and show accountability to work your schedule hours. You can schedule your own hours for this job as well, which is good. You can work night, you can work weekend. Treatment consultants have set hours, but we offer flexibility in set those hours as long as it is in the best interest of serving your members. So they request you to submit a cover letter details with this law. So additional requirement for this law, read through everything because I have so many other jobs. This is treatment consultant. If you go to view other jobs, by the way, the company name is boardgreenhouse.ai. So if you go to, let me go back a little bit. Affect is a company they are hiring. So this is the name of the company. They have so many jobs available on their website. But guys, you can see they have remote, member advocate remote, head of revenue cycle management remote, product and design manager remote. So yeah, visit them if you are looking for those kind of jobs. So moving on to another job we have today, we have KB Tax Diverse CPA. So you can see they say, do you love helping other people? Do you love helping other people? Want more fulfillment from your work? We always looking for great people who are inspired to solve problems, help others, build fresh idea every single day. Their commitment is to help people actualize their goals and create more magic of their lives, okay? So now you can see they say all the employees work remotely. So you can work and live anywhere you want with no stressful required. So this is a great company, guys. Take a look to this company, KB Tax Advisor CPAs. You can work from anywhere with no experience. So yes, guys, these are the job that I wanted to share with you today. Make sure you share with your friend. There is no experience required with some of the job that I shared with you today. Also, you can work from anywhere to some of the jobs that I shared today. Thank you so much for watching. Share, like, subscribe, and let's meet to the next video. Bye.